Okay, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about a holiday food revolution that honestly has been hiding in plain sight. We're going to see how one of summer's most famous foods is crashing the holiday party, and you know what? It might just steal the whole show.
You know how it is. Every year, it's kind of the same story, right? The endless parade of turkey, ham, and all the usual sides. Don't get me wrong, it's delicious. But it can feel a little, well, predictable. What if there was a way to really shake things up? I mean, take a second and really think about it. Are you serving pretty much the same menu you served 5 years ago? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. But the answer to that holiday food fatigue, it might be the absolute last thing you'd ever expect. That's right, we're talking about the humble, simple, often overlooked hot dog. Now, I know what you're thinking, but just stick with me here, because this is where things get really, really interesting.
Look, this isn't about just tossing a frank on the grill in the middle of December. No way. This is about completely reimagining the hot dog as a blank canvas for all those incredible, festive flavors we already love. It's about turning a simple food into an absolute showstopper. So, let's just redefine what we're talking about here. We are not treating the hot dog like it's just some snack. For our purposes, it's a vehicle for creativity. A brilliant way to deliver complex, surprising, and totally delightful holiday flavors in one simple, easy-to-eat package.
All right, let's start with flavors that feel familiar but in a totally new form. We're talking about cramming what feels like an entire holiday feast into one single perfect bite.
And this first example just shows how completely wild you can get with it. Sam's Club created this thing called the Holly Dog, and it is just delightfully bonkers. I mean, look at this. Mashed potatoes and Christmas cookies, pumpkin pie and candy canes on a hot dog? Apparently so. And then you top it with gravy and whipped cream. It's literally everything all at once.
And believe it or not, there's a real strategy behind all this madness. Like this quote from Food Cart Pro points out, this unhinged approach is designed for one thing: to create buzz. And if you're a food cart at a busy winter market, getting people talking is the name of the game.
But you can also go elegant with this. This idea from Nathan's Famous is both a decoration and an appetizer. It looks so impressive, but it's incredibly simple to put together. You get that salty pretzel dog, the sharp cheese, and then you serve it with these amazing dips. I mean, cranberry ketchup? It completely transforms a simple snack into a festive centerpiece.
You can also build this into something even heartier and more comforting. Take this Scandinavian-inspired dog, for instance. It just elevates the whole concept. That sweet and tart lingonberry jam cuts right through the rich gravy and the creamy potatoes. This isn't a snack anymore. It's a full-on, comforting meal in a bun.
All right, now that we've covered the savory side of things, let's get into the truly unexpected. This is where we just break all the rules and see just how unbelievably versatile a hot dog can actually be. I mean, just look at this contrast. On one side, you've got the firecracker hot dog, which brings this awesome sweet and spicy kick. Perfect for a New Year's party. And on the other side, you've got something that completely flips the script, the banana dessert dog. It uses the bun in the shape we expect, but it swaps out the savory frank for a sweet banana. It's such a playful and delightful surprise.
And the creativity doesn't stop there. By borrowing all these amazing flavors from around the world, the holiday hot dog can actually become this really cool tool for inclusivity. I mean, think about a bacon-wrapped Mexican-style dog or the famous Chilean completo, just piled high with toppings. It's a great way to make sure everyone at the table sees a flavor they know and love.
So after seeing all these wild, creative, and, let's be honest, delicious-sounding ideas, what's the big picture? What are we supposed to take away from all this?
Well, it all kind of comes down to this number: 6. That's how many creative ways we've just looked at to prove a really simple point. With a little bit of imagination, versatility is king, and even the humblest foods can become absolute showstoppers.
Look, at the end of the day, this isn't really about convincing you to serve hot dogs at your next holiday dinner, although you totally could. It's about a much bigger idea. There's a real joy in breaking with tradition, in looking at something familiar in a completely new way, and finding an unexpected opportunity for creativity and fun. And that's really the challenge here, isn't it? The hot dog proves that a potential showstopper might just be hiding in your pantry right now. So the only question left is, what are you going to transform? What humble ingredient is going to be the hero of your next big idea?